What's up, you guys, and welcome back to this small portfolio challenge where I like to give updates on my account with public.com. Today it's February 22nd, 2023, and I just want to briefly go over my account since that's what I've been doing over the past couple of years now. I've been depositing $300 every single month, and I have started to do bi-weekly updates with what's been happening to my account. So let's get started. The last time I showed my account, it was February 1st, 2023, when I put that $300 in there. At that point, it was at $3,915.74, and I was down 9.28% or $400.36. Looking at today's value, I am currently at $3,808.42, and I am currently down for an all-time 11.68% or $503.74. You can see that my buying power is $8.04, and that just means that I got some dividends that paid out, which is great. I'm going to use that money with the $300 that I receive next month into my account, and I'm going to purchase more dividend paying stocks. If you look down at my portfolio, you can see that the only two that are currently in the green or that I'm in profit are Apple and Realty Income. And all of the other stocks and ETFs that I'm in are currently down. And right now I have it for all-time gain, so you can see how much I have lost in each of these stocks. But overall, I'm not too concerned because a lot of these are dividend paying stocks and ETFs. So regardless of what happens to the stock market, to these prices, I will get paid out. I did want to mention that I had originally in my dividend amount or buying power 93 cents in the account. So if I were to take the $8.04 minus that amount of 93 cents, then it comes out to $7.11 for this month. As I mentioned before, I will be adding another $300 every single month at the beginning of the month, and I'll be adding the current amount that you see here, this $8.04, to that amount to invest in more dividend paying stocks. So if this is interesting to you, if you want to get started on your own journey and you want to start depositing and making passive income, this is a great way to do it. I have my link in the description for my public.com account. If you want, you can go ahead and register, get a free fractional share, and you can start following me to see what my holdings are in this account. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And on that note, I will see you all in the next video.